Sound can play such an integral part in any presentation. The sound effects add reality, the music adds ambiance. Now, one product can add both. Audio Performer from Tracer Technologies is a new software product that features brand new technology called playlist editing. What does that mean for your performances? First, it means that you can trigger digital quality sound effects manually off stage into a live presentation. Your technician simply hits the spacebar or mouse button, and Audio Performer instantly triggers one sound effect off of your pre-ordered list. Also, this playlist can include the background music you may program prior to or following your performance. This simply means that you'll bring order to the chaos that is your current sound situation. Here's how it works. You simply find your desired sound effects on CD or from your favorite supplier and load these into Audio Performer. You can import CD, MP3, WAV files that are already on your computer, or even record files directly to the software using our record feature. Then you set up the playlist in the order you want to trigger your sound effects. Now you simply add keyboard or mouse weights to each item. A weight is exactly what it sounds like. It's a little stop sign that tells Performer to wait until you tell it to play the file. Now, as your technician monitors the performance, they simply click on the spacebar or mouse button to instantly trigger that sound into your presentation. It's easy, accurate, and will allow you to provide extensive CD quality sound effects and music, which will add incredible realism to any presentation. Better yet, Audio Performer works on any PC computer and is only $59. Try it for free by following the instructions on the screen. Audio Performer, when the performance matters.